We are going to practice finding perimeter of a shape. And perimeter is basically the distance around a shape. So if you can picture an imaginary fence that you put up around a specific object, that would be the perimeter. So imagine your yard. If you put a fence around that, you would be making a perimeter around your yard. The stuff inside, all of the grass, your house, the sidewalk, that would all be part of the area. So the inside is the area, the outside fence would be the perimeter. And to find perimeter, it's actually really easy. I want you just to simply add all the sides together. Try to avoid any multiplication with area because it could confuse it. So let's get started. First, area can or perimeter can be used on any type of shape. You can have a 90 side figure and find the perimeter of it. You can find perimeter of a three-sided figure like a triangle. So it just depends on what you're trying to find. Let's get started with our pentagon. So if these two sides are 2, these two are 5, and this one is 4, all you need to do is add them together. So you have 10 plus 4 is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So my perimeter would be 18 centimeters. All right, let's do this basic square. I have 6 on each side. So 6 plus 6 is 12, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 12 is 24. On this shape, you would be able to use multiplication pretty easily. I have 4 sides and they all equal 6, so it'd be 6 times 4. But try to avoid it when you have sides like this shape right here. All right, let's do this rhombus. Well, 4, 4, 4, and 4, same thing, you could say 4 times 4 or add them all together. So I have 8 and 8, which makes 16, or 4 times 4, which equals 16. So you can only add them, you usually just use multiplication when you have the sides the same. All right, so we have 6, 6, and 4. So 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 4 is 16. So this triangle would be 16 centimeters all the way around. All right, I have 12 and I have 10 on this one. So 12 plus 10 would be 22. Always label it. And last but not least, we have 4, 5, 9, and 8. So I have 4 and 5 make 9. 9 and 9 are 18. 18 plus 8 would be 26 centimeters. But like I said, you could have shapes that are all kinds of different sizes and stuff like that. And sometimes they might not give you the side lengths, so you need to use logic. Well, this side and this side are the two that we're missing. So if this whole side length is 6 centimeters, then you should know that this whole side length would be 6 centimeters, right? So we need to add something plus 2 would make up that 6. Well, what plus 2 equals 6? That would be 4. So that means that this side is 4 centimeters. And then let's figure out this side. Although it looks like it's 6, it might not be. But if we look across, we can see that they've given us a couple lengths over here. So on the top part, we have 4, and on the bottom, we have 3, which means that this side length is 7. Now we can add them all together. So I have 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 2 is 12, plus 3 is 15, plus 4 is 19, and then we have 7 more. So 26 centimeters is my perimeter. So basically, perimeter is just adding all the sides together, and that's it.